Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to move taskbar icons to the middle of the taskbar. For those upgrade to Windows 11, this should help your Windows 10 PC to look like it has a Windows 11 interface. Let's get straight to the video. What we are going to do in this video is to move these icons to the middle of the taskbar. First of all, you need to unlock the taskbar. Once you have unlocked the taskbar, right-click on the taskbar again, go to Toolbars and select Links. Move your cursor to the double line here, click and drag all the way up to the icons. Now move your cursor to this side of the double line, click and drag all the way to the right until the icons move to the middle. Right-click here and deselect Show Text. Right-click again and deselect Show Title. Now right-click on the taskbar and lock the taskbar. That's all for this video. Please like my video and share it among your friends. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video.